Hi guys, I'm Kavya
And I'm Rashi.
and welcome back to our channel.
The Coffee Comfort Show.
So we hope कि आपको जो हमारे लास्ट दो एपिसोड्स हैं ऑफ सीजन 2 पसंद आए होंगे and that you've taken away something from it.
Yeah,
Today-
we really hope so.
Yeah, today we are talking about the
Actually,
pain
yeah,
of outgrowing
Outgrowing.
people you love.
yes.
You know.
And we will go into depths. कुछ हम अपना personal experience भी share करेंगे because it is the harsh truth actually
Yes.
of life.
Yes.
Right?
And we have gone through it.
Yes.
Because when you are in your healing journey and you are constantly learning about yourself, you're constantly, trying to heal yourself, going into the deepest, darkest corners, as I've said in the previous episode. So आप basically heal कर रहे हो, आप grow कर रहे हो, आप मतलब
You're growing yourself also,
Yeah.
so you're bound to outgrow others who are not growing with you.
एंड जब आप इतना खुद पे काम कर रहे होते हो ना और आप खुद को इतना चेंज कर रहे होते हो फॉर बेटर एंड यू सी पीपल अराउंड यू नो द पीपल यू लव योर फ्रेंड्स और मे बी योर रिलेशनशिप और व्हाटएवर एंड आप मे बी उनको नज करो टू चेंज बट दे आर नॉट चेंजिंग सो अ पॉइंट कम्स व्हेन यू लाइक यू स्टॉप रिलेटिंग टू देम यू
Yes.
स्टॉप रिलेटिंग
Actually, and you cannot help it. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप चाह के you are not relating. It's just that one fine day you wake up and you can't relate.
because the person who made friends with them or who came into a relationship with them or
Yeah.
whatever was the past version of you and you have evolved. Now this version can't really relate with that version's
Yeah.
relationships. So I think that is a very natural but a very sad part, you know.
Actually, what happens is that you outgrow yourself. So you're not the version of yourself who met them for the
Yeah,
first time.
exactly.
So you have like outgrown yourself and they haven't, and so they can't. Actually, it is not even their fault. There's उनकी कुछ गलती नहीं है.
No, it's not their fault.
Yeah, they just can't relate to you anymore and you can't relate to them because you guys actually, spiritually speaking, are operating in different dimensions altogether.
Yeah.
So your frequency has changed. You are vibrating at a different frequency. So it is all about, these energies and everything.
Yes, true. So it has happened with me a lot of the times and sometimes you know what, it's not like ऐसे बोलते हैं ना हमने outgrow कर दिया या we have outgrown people. Sometimes it does not really happen in totality. Sometimes it's not
Yeah.
like they're completely out of your lives. They are still in your lives.
Yes.
You're still meeting them but you've outgrown them. And when it happens with me, my personal experience, I just go silent. I no longer and I ऐसा नहीं कि मैं करती हूँ ये मुझे अब पता चला है reflect back करके that I am just present there but I'm not really a part of the conversation. I'm not really talking. I'm not really giving any input and it happens very naturally. It's like my body's response in some way. It's just come as a natural response of my
Yeah.
system.
What happens with me personally is that because of the whole healing journey and everything, you become so self-aware
Yeah.
that when you are with the people you have outgrown,
Yeah.
you actually are aware of what is happening, what is this conversation all
exactly.
about, right?
Yeah.
Where is it headed? Do I really care about that stuff? Do I really want to participate in this conversation? And the answer
Is mostly no.
is mostly no. So yeah,
It does happen.
and
And
we feel like it is better to be there physically but not participate.
But this stage, I actually feel like sometimes that this is such a painful stage to be at.
Yeah.
You love them, you have loved them, you have created
Yeah.
so many memories with them. How do you let them go?
It's
and how
very
do you also
painful.
be with them then? What is this? I
It's
really want to
like-
understand this.
Yeah.
How
It's
to?
it's like you know them, but now that you have done so much healing and
You know them too well.
you know them too well, and
Yeah.
you also start this healing journey and you know yourself. So
Yeah.
now for the first time, think like for the first time you actually know yourself and you know that this is not me. मैं अभी तक गलत लोगों के साथ थी या मैं कुछ गलत बातें कर रही थी या वो मैं थी ही नहीं जो लोग मेरे से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो मैं हूँ नहीं, तो अब मैं क्या करूँ?
मे बी मैं गलत वर्ड तो यूज़ नहीं करूँगी वैसे, बट मेरे हिसाब से
What is not aligning is not for me in that way.
या नॉट फॉर दिस वर्जन ऑफ मी.
Yeah, not for this version.
या एंड इसमें सामने वाले की कोई फॉल्ट नहीं है, एंड इट हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विद देम, बट व्हेन यू आर एट दैट स्टेज we understand, you know,
Yeah,
it is a
completely.
very tricky and a very sad space to be at, because you don't want to lose those friends, you don't want to, you know, lose them, those people.
But if you don't lose them, then you will lose yourself.
Yeah, if you don't lose it, exactly, very true, very true. But I think when you are in your healing journey, and I really love this quote that I've read somewhere, and I genuinely feel that it's so right. The degree to which someone can grow is the degree to which they are ready to accept stuff about themselves.
Yeah, completely.
This is so true.
Oh God.
And when you're healing, means of course you have accepted that you are not perfect, what all fears you have and everything, everything wrong that you've done in your life, and you know जो आपको नहीं करना चाहिए था, everything you have accepted. और आपको फिर दिख रहा होता है क्योंकि आप इतने सेल्फ अवेयर हो गए हो, वो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस आ गई है, तो जब आपको खुद में दिख रहा है तो आपको लोगों में दिखने लगते हैं, वो पैटर्न्स दिखने लगते हैं.
Actually.
And the patterns that they are a prey of, you know, you see, okay, this is a person who has a victim mindset. He is constantly
God.
victimizing himself, and now I just can't be friends with him and constantly cheer him up and say that it's okay,
Yeah,
it's okay,
because it is
don't
not.
worry, the world is not a
Yeah.
bad place, and आपके साथ जो भी
Very
हुआ
well
it's so
said.
bad,
Yeah.
but it will be fine, let's do this. I can't do that because I
Because-
can now see
See.
that
Yeah,
you are
actually.
a victim, and
Yeah.
so this happens, this starts happening, and
Very well said. Actually, what happens
Yeah.
is that you really
you start seeing people.
अभी तक ऐसा लगेगा ना, इसके पहले आप देख नहीं रहे थे एक्चुअली खुद को, किसी और को, आपकी बातों को आप सुन नहीं रहे थे. यू वर जस्ट पैसिवली प्रेजेंट इन दिस अर्थ.
मतलब आप उनको उनके पैटर्न्स के लिए ऑन अ बेसिक लेवल वो कैसे ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं वैसे थोड़ी देख रहे हो,
देख ही नहीं रहे थे.
आप तो बस ये देख रहे हो ही इज टॉकिंग टू मी नाइसली एंड
Yeah.
ही इज लाइक दिस एंड
He's a
दैट, और
nice person.
नाइस पर्सन.
That's
Nice
it.
person, what is a nice
person?
What is a nice person? मेरा तो ये क्वेश्चन आ गया
Guys,
है.
देखो.
What is a nice person, भाई?
Yeah, don't इसके ट्रैप में मत फंसना कि he is a nice or she is a nice person or they are nice people. No. When you actually become self-aware, then you will see beyond these things.
Yes.
Right? You are supposed to be with people who are nice. That is a bare minimum, right? But when you want to choose your company, your relationship, your partnership, whatever,
Yeah.
then you have to look beyond just being a nice person.
Yeah, and this stage जो सबकी लाइफ में आएगी, और अगर आप हीलिंग जर्नी में हो तो या आ चुकी होगी, सैडली ये तो हम लोग नहीं बता सकते कि एग्जैक्टली आपको इस पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल से ऐसे डील करना है, ये तो आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा. बट व्हाट द ब्राइट साइड इज दैट यू ऑलवेज हैव अ चॉइस.
God.
That's the bright side. You always have a choice. Do you really wish to stay with them, or if you feel like you have outgrown them, तो आप चाहते हो कि okay, now I no longer associate with them. आपके पास वो choice है. You have a
always have
choice.
a
If you
choice,
really
right.
want to, you know, once try and push them, and you know, also कि वो भी grow करें, आप ऐसा चाहते हो, और you just want to preserve your energy and move on.
We talked about this in the last first episode of our season 2 also, when you're healing and others are not. So we talked about how you cannot force them to heal with you.
Yeah, because force आप कर नहीं सकते, तो आप
कर सकते नहीं हो, try कर
देखो, आप
सकते हो.
try करते हो, आप
क्यों
try
नहीं करोगे? आप
करते हो,
naturally करोगे.
because आप क्यों, कौन चाहता है कि आप you know something, building relationships takes a lot, it's a lot of investment. You have invested so many emotions, so many years, so
Yeah.
many memories, कितना कुछ.
Yeah.
तो of course आप
actually-
try करो,
Yeah.
but try करने के बाद इस स्टेज पे जब आप हो ना, प्लीज आपको फिर डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा, एक पॉइंट आएगा when you have to let them go.
Yes.
You cannot always you know force them or force yourself to force them. You can't do that.
You can't. And मेरा तो माइंड ब्लो हो गया जब मुझे ये रियलाइजेशन अभी हुई कि या वी लिटरली सी पीपल फॉर हु दे आर एंड from which identity they are operating,
हाँ, वो
like
दिखने
correctly
ही
said,
लगता है, बिल्कुल
and
दिखता है वो।
mostly people are victims of their own life and they like
या
to be
तो-
victims. They feel like यार मैं इतना अच्छा हूँ, मेरे साथ ही सब बुरा होता है, but they forget that भाई उठो, थोड़ा जगो, आपकी लाइफ है, आप ही को बेटर बनानी है. विक्टिम करके या लोगों की सिंपैथी लेके होगा क्या आखिरी में?
या बट यू जेन्युइनली स्टार्ट पीपल, मतलब आप लोगों को ऐसे दिखने लगते हैं दैट ओके
It's like a superpower
he is a
unlocked.
victim mindset person.
Yeah, she's a people pleaser.
She is a people pleaser.
She-
She does not have strong boundaries.
Yeah.
या फिर she तो भैया over crosses your boundaries only. मतलब
Yeah,
उनका कुछ है ही
that
नहीं.
तो,
तो वो
yeah.
सब आपको notice होने लगता है. And that's the perk of healing and putting in
Yeah.
so much work into yourself. So
But
yes.
what I want to say is that see, this dilemma is very real.
Yeah, very real.
Yeah, and we both have dealt with it
And still dealing with it.
still dealing, and it will never end because we are supposed to grow only.
Yeah, it might never.
It might never end.
It's scary.
Yeah, and actually, scientifically speaking, what happens is that because you are healing, your frequency is changing, as I said. So now you guys are vibrating on a different frequency altogether. So in order for this to work, there's not, मतलब कुछ fake तो हो ही नहीं सकता. There's no fake process. उसको सामने वाले बंदे को भी आपके लेवल पे एनर्जेटिकली आना ही पड़ेगा, फॉर विच ही और शी हैज टू हील एंड देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट.
What I've also learned in मतलब ये जब stage आती है and all of this in my life is that sometimes you have to really understand that people come into your life either for a reason, for a season, or for a lesson.
या
Not everyone is meant to stay in your life for a lifetime. It is a very hard pill to swallow,
Yeah.
especially when you love someone dearly. You're anyone, it could be anyone, but you have to really understand. And when you start healing, you start seeing you actually, even when you're in that pain, of letting go, of separation, of whatever, when you know that you have to make that choice, even then you have that awareness that okay, this person was actually only for a lesson.
Yeah.
You start getting that awareness,
Yeah.
which is
And-
very comforting on some level.
it helps us to be graceful about the whole process
Yeah.
of letting go,
Yeah.
not from
Very
the place of anger, betrayal, hurt, not from that place, from the
Yeah.
place of acceptance of the person for who they are, and for seeing that, see, nobody wants to be a bad person, right? Everyone
Yeah.
is a nice person at the core. It's just that they're ignorant about.
We feel कि आप इस जर्नी पे हो, और हमने अपने लास्ट एपिसोड में भी कहा था, it is not going to be easy, but you
Yeah.
have to keep going. It is not going to make sense to others, but you have to keep going, and you have to keep going. You have to keep shedding old leaves and grow into the most beautiful version of yourself. And
And I want to clear one thing: it is not selfish. Like, you are not being selfish
very
when you choose yourself and when you choose growth, right? It is you are acting out of self-love. I see it from that perspective. When you are choosing to be with people who are also growing and healing and everything, then you are acting out of self-love because you also respect your journey and all the hard work that you are putting into your healing journey. So you have to be with people who are aware of it and are respectful about it.
And I feel ultimately everyone is here for you to lead you to your true purpose.
Yeah.
No one is here to be with you forever.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you see it in that perspective, everything shifts. You see it that okay, this person taught me this. He was here to teach me this so that I learn this about myself, and that's his role. His job is done. I'm leaving him, he's leaving me. That's not something that's selfish of me to do, or
No.
or he is bad, or whatever, that they're not growing, or ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Ultimately, in the bird's
Bigger
eye
run.
view, हाँ, वो वाला perspective जब आप देखोगे bigger picture, it is just this, and you have to understand it. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं, कुछ लोग बुरे बनने ही आए हैं आपकी लाइफ में, जो
And they've
आपको लगे
chosen
ऐसा.
this path through their soul mission. Their mission was to
Yeah.
be that person so that you learn something else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So everyone's just playing a role. So I think just be kind to everyone. Everyone is teaching you something. Everyone is fulfilling some role, some past karma, some lesson into your life, and yeah, that's all. All right. So I think that was pretty much it.
Yeah.
And we love you, the people who are actually listening, and the people who are actually healing. If ऐसे dilemmas आते हैं, now you know a little bit कि okay, थोड़ा एक fresh perspective मिलता है किसी और का real life experience से.
Yes.
So we hope that you take away something and do subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.